Hello guys, welcome back. Let us solve some questions on profit, loss and interest. First question. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum of money at 10% per annum for 3 years is 620. Find the principal if it is known that the interest is compounded annually. Okay, so we have R as 10% and N as 3 years and we want to find P. What they have given? Compound interest minus simple interest is nothing but 620. So first we'll find simple interest because it is easy to find. Simple interest is P into N into R by 100. So P we don't know. N is 3 into 10 by 100. So it is 3 by 10 P. What about compound interest? It is given it is compounded annually. So N and R remain same. So we first have the formula for amount of compound interest, right? So it is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. So P we don't know. So 1 plus 10 by 100 in power 3. 3, right? Yeah. So P into, this is 1.1 power 3. So what will be the compound interest itself? It is amount minus principal. So it is P into 1.1 whole cube minus 1. And what are they saying? Ci minus Si is equal to 620. So Ci is P into 1.1 whole cube minus 1 minus 0.3p is equal to 620. So if we just try to simplify this, so this is 1.331 minus 1 minus 0.3p 20. So this is 0.331p is 0.3p equal to 620. 0.031p is equal to 620. So p will be 620 by 0.031, which will be 20,000. So the principal is 20,000. We are asked to find the principal. So this is 2 lakh. So option B is the right answer. Let's go to the second question. The population of a city is 2 lakh. If the annual birth rate and the annual death rate are 6% and 3% respectively, then calculate the percentage of the city after 2 years. So the population, right, is similar to the compound interest. Because as the population grows, whatever the extra people come in, they also contribute to the population growth, right? So it is similar to a compound interest. So what is given? So it is like P is equal to 2 lakh. Birth rate is 6% and death rate is 3%. So growth rate is nothing but birth rate minus death rate, which is 6 minus 3, which is 3%. And we need to find after 2 years. So we have the formula P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. So it is 2 lakh into 1 plus 3 by 100 whole square. So this is 2 lakh into 1.03 whole square. We can use a calculator here. So using calculator we get 212,180. So 2,12,180 is the number of people or the population after 2 years. So option D is the right answer. Let's go to question number 3. The profit earned when an article is sold for rupees 800 is 20 times the loss incurred when it is sold for 275. At what price should the article be sold if it is desired to make a profit of 25%? Okay. So the selling price 1, let's take, is 800. Then the profit, let's take it as P. It is some P. If the selling price is 275, then they make a loss. Let's take it as L. So this P is equal to 20 times L. Okay, so this P is nothing but selling price minus cost price. So your cost price is same. So this is 800 minus CP, and loss is cost price minus selling price. So it is cost price minus 275. So substitute this here. 800 minus CP is equal to 20 into cost price minus 275. So multiply what we have, 20 CP minus 0, 0, 50, 5,500, right? Now taking this to the other side, 800 plus 5500 is equal to 21 CP. So this will give you 6300. So CP is 6300 divided by 21. So this is nothing but 3 times 300. So the cost price is rupees 300. And what they are asking, what price should the article be sold if it is decided to make a profit of 25%. So we want to find selling price such that the profit is 25%. So we know profit percentage is nothing but selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So 25% is equal to selling price we want to find minus 300 divided by 300 into 100. So this is 4, and this goes 150, 75. So selling price is 75 plus 300. So selling price is 375 rupees. So option C is the right answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. A dealer marks articles at a price that gives him a profit of 30%. This is 30%. 6% of the consignment of goods was lost in a fire in his premises. 24% was soiled and had to be sold at half the cost price. If the remainder was sold at the market price, what percentage profit or loss did the dealer make on that consignment? Okay, so let's assume, we need to assume one variable. Let's assume the cost price of the articles. So let's assume this as X. So what will be the market price? So the market price is such that it gives them a profit of 30%. So it should be X plus 30% of X. So it is X plus 0.3X. So it is 1.3X is the market price. And 6% of the consignment of goods was lost. Okay, let's say there are N goods, N articles. 6% of this N is lost. So remaining he has 94%. So in that 94% also 24% was soiled and he had to be sold at half the price. So 24 by 100 N is sold at half the price. So this N can be anything. Anyway, finally like this N will cancel out. So let's conveniently assume this as 100. So this will be 24. So 24 goods, 6 are lost. 24 will be sold at half the price. And the remaining, how much you will have? 70. So 70 will be sold at same market price. So what is the total selling price for him? Total amount he will get by selling. So it will be 6 into 0 because 6 is lost. 24 into half the market price. Half of this is 0.65x, right? 24 into 0.65x plus 70 into 1.3x. Suppose we want to normalize this for 100 gross. Normalized selling price is nothing but this divided by 100. So 6 into 0 is 0. 24 into 0.65x plus 70 into 1.3x divided by 100. So this is where I said, right, the n will get cancelled. Even if you have given n, it will cancel at this stage. So this one we can calculate. So this is 15.6x plus 91x divided by 100. So adding this, we'll get 106.6x by 100. So which is nothing but 1.066x. So this is the normalized selling price, and the cost price itself is x. So okay, so I think if you see here, 24% was sold and had to be sold at half the cost price. It's not the market price. So that was the mistake here. So this should be 0.5x. It's half the cost price, right? So it is 0.5x. So what do we have here? 0.5x. So this will be 12. So adding it, we'll get 103x, right? So this will be 1.03x, and this is the selling price. So cost price is x. So profit, it is the profit because selling price is greater than cost price. Profit percentage is 1.03x minus x divided by x into 100%. So this is nothing but 0.3 into 100%, which is 3%. So he gets a profit of 3%. So option C is the correct answer. Hope you learned something new today. Enjoy your learning and keep practicing as always. Thank you.